Hi, I'm Natalie Southgate. I'm the author of Chakradance, Move Your Chakras, Change Your Life. There's this really beautiful Rumi quote which I just love, and it's stop searching here and there. The jewels are inside you. And I feel that this is such a perfect way of describing Chakradance. In Chakradance, we close our eyes and we dance through the chakras, and we really connect with every facet of who we are. We connect with the treasure within. And really that's what my new book is all about. I take you on your own guided journey so that you can discover the jewels within you. And I'd just like to give you a little bit of a feel of what the journey is like. And the journey is set to music, so all of the music in Chakradance has been created to resonate with our energy centers, and the music comes with the book. And we start the journey at the base chakra, and the music for the base chakra, it's very earthy, it's very tribal, it's very raw, it's very percussive. So imagine like Aboriginal didgeridoos and African drums. And then when we connect to this energy center, we really connect in with our own instinctual, primal, really animal part of who we are. And we connect with the energy of the earth and the energy of our ancestors. So our dance is like an expression of this. So in the dance, it's a very physical dance, and you may find yourself really pounding and moving your legs and your feet as you make that connection to the earth. You may find that you're moving like an animal low to the ground as you connect in with your instincts. And then the journey moves up into the next chakra, which is the sacral chakra in the lower belly. Very different feel. Here the music is very sensual, it's very sultry, it's smouldering. It's like Middle Eastern beats and rhythms interweaving with the sounds of the ocean, because water is the element connected with this chakra. And when we connect in with the sacral, we connect in with the inner feminine, and that's within men and women. We all have an inner feminine energy. So it's the soft and sensual and nurturing part of who we are. It's also the untamed and the wild part. And the sacral also connects us to that sense of flow in our lives. If you think of water, and it's to do with flow. So it's the flow of our feelings, the flow of passion, the flow of our sensuality, the flow of pleasure. And the dance is an expression of this energy. So you may find that you're moving your hips in like a serpentine-like way. You may find that you feel like a wild gypsy or move like an ancient goddess. And then the energy moves up. The journey continues as we move up into the next chakra, which is the solar plexus chakra. Again, wildly different energy. The music for this chakra is very fiery because the element connected with this chakra is fire. So it's very fiery, it's very dynamic, it's very fast driving beats. And at the solar plexus, we connect with our inner masculine. And again, for men, but also for women. And this is where we connect in with our inner strength, our inner power. It's our self-esteem, it's our will, it's our confidence, it's our get up and go, it's our right to take up space in the world. And this is the dance we do to express that energy. So you may find that you feel like a warrior in this dance. You may even feel like you're making your own martial arts type movements as you surrender into that powerful energy within you. And then we lift up, our journey lifts up into the heart chakra in the center of our system. And the music here is just divine. It's very airy, it's very light, it's very lyrical, it's very freeing. So imagine flutes and other wind instruments sort of interweaving with like the heartbeat of a sacred drum. And when we connect in with this chakra, we open up to love. We open up to kindness, to compassion, to peace, to joy. And that's our dance of this chakra. It's really a dance of the arms and the hands and the breath, where we really play with the giving and the receiving, the in and the out. You can be like soaring, dancing on air, feeling free and uplifted. And then we journey up into the throat chakra. Very different again. We've now moved out of the physical elements and into ether. So the music here is very ethereal. I like to say it's where the angels play. And it's really like a humming vibration interweaving with like a spiritual choir. And this is a mantra dance. Here we weave together sound and movement. It's like we become dancing sound. And really when we start to open this chakra, we connect with the truth. We connect with the truth of who we are and how we express that, our authentic, creative self-expression. It's like we take the masks that we often wear off and we sing the song of our soul out to the world beautiful chakra, beautiful dancers they all are. And then the journey continues up into the third eye chakra. And now the music for this is very trancy. It's very hypnotic, it's very repetitive beats. And the dance is based on an ancient shamanic trance dance practice where we surrender our movements, we surrender our bodies to that repetitive hypnotic beat. And by doing that, we open up our intuitive mind to insights, to guidance, to visions, to solutions that we may not have reached in any other way. So another powerful dance. And then the journey ends at the crown chakra. And the crown chakra, the music for this has the highest vibrational frequency. It's heavenly music, it's haunting music. And this connects us to our own highest source of spirituality. It connects us to our soul. So this feels like dancing on a heaven on earth. It feels like our souls turn to dance, as though we're dancing a prayer. You know, for this you may find your arms and hands raised as you open up to receiving that universal love, that universal guidance. And this becomes our practice. We can return to this journey again and again. So as Rumi said, stop searching here and there. The jewels are inside you. So I really hope you enjoy the practice of chakra dance. I've shared everything you need to practice chakra dance for yourself at home in the book. It's been a blessing to write this book and a blessing to share it with you. Namaste.